Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the value of following expression, and these are the expression. So for A option we can see 102 minus 122 minus 94 minus 135 minus of minus 130. Then minus of minus 30 minus 90. This we have to simplify. So let's simplify it. 102 minus 122 minus 94 minus 135 and minus of minus 130 will give 130. Similarly, minus of minus 30 is plus 30. So minus 90. If we take positive part together and negative part together, we'll get this. And after that we will just do the addition and finally we'll subtract these two addition that I have written in the bracket. So this addition will be equal to 262 minus this addition will be equal to 441. So this is equal to minus of 179. So this is the answer for option A. Now let's check or simplify the option B, that is 53 minus of minus 36 minus of minus 184 minus of 86 minus 171 and minus 101. So let us simplify this in the similar manner that we have solved in part A. So 53 plus 36 plus 184 minus 86 minus 171 minus 101. So if we take plus or positive part together, we will get this, and if we club negative part together, we will get this. Now further simplifying it, we will get 273 minus 358, which is equal to minus 85. So this is the answer for part B.